If you want to export a video in CapCut PC for Instagram Reels and make sure it's ready to upload, then this video is for you. Make sure you watch this video until the end and don't skip any part, because every step is important. So let's get started. If this video meets your needs and helps you export your video correctly, please subscribe to my channel and like the video. To get started, open CapCut on your PC and open the project you want to export. Before exporting, make sure your video is in a vertical 9:16 format, which is ideal for Instagram Reels. Click on the ratio option and select 9:16. Once your editing is complete, click on the export button in the top right corner. Now, choose a location where you want to save your video and enter a name for your file. For the resolution, select 1080p if your original video supports it. For the frame rate, choose the same frame rate you used while recording or editing your video, such as 30 or 60 FPS. Next, check the export settings and make sure the video quality looks good. When everything is ready, click Export and wait for CapCut to finish processing your video. Once the export is complete, open the saved video and quickly check it before uploading it to Instagram.